New car prices are very high and they continue to rise each year. In 2024, the average new car costs more than $48,000, which is a significant increase from previous years. This is a lot of money, and it can be a huge financial burden for many families. High car prices are a problem for many people, making it difficult to afford a new vehicle. High car prices can lead to negative equity, a situation no one wants to be in. Negative equity is when you owe more money on your car loan than the car is worth, which can be financially crippling. This is a dangerous financial situation that can lead to long-term debt. Negative equity can happen quickly, often faster than you might expect. You buy a new car, excited about your purchase. You make payments for a few years, thinking everything is fine, but the car's value goes down over time, often more quickly than the loan balance. Now you owe more on the loan than the car is worth, putting you in a tough spot. You need to understand negative equity and how it can impact your finances. It's important for your financial health to be aware of this issue. Make smart choices when you buy a car, considering all financial aspects. Avoid negative equity if you can, and protect your financial future. Negative equity is like being underwater on your mortgage. It means you owe more on your loan than the asset is currently worth. Imagine you buy a house for $300,000. It's a significant investment, and you expect it to appreciate over time. You take out a mortgage for the full amount, believing that the value of the house will increase. Then the housing market crashes. This can happen due to various economic factors beyond your control. Your house is now worth only $250,000. The market value has dropped significantly. But you still owe $300,000 on your mortgage. You are underwater. You have negative equity. This situation can be financially stressful. The same thing can happen with a car loan. Vehicles depreciate quickly, often faster than you can pay off the loan. You buy a car for $40,000. It's brand new, and you expect it to serve you well for years. You make payments for 2 years, diligently paying down the loan. The car is now worth $25,000. Depreciation has taken a toll on its value. But you still owe $35,000 on the loan. The loan balance exceeds the car's current value. You're underwater on your car loan. You have negative equity. This can limit your financial flexibility. This is a big problem if you need to sell your car or trade it in. Negative equity can make it difficult to move forward financially. Negative equity is a big problem for many people. Almost 25% of new car buyers have negative equity. This means 1 out of 4 new car buyers owes more than their car is worth. These people are at risk. They could face financial hardship. They might have to keep a car they can't afford, or they might have to sell their car at a loss. High car prices and high interest rates are to blame. People are taking out larger loans for longer terms. This means they are paying more interest and less principal. The average car loan term is now 84 months. That's 7 years. This is a long time to be in debt for a depreciating asset. What can you do to avoid negative equity in the ever-changing car market of 2024? First, try to make a large down payment. This initial investment can significantly impact your financial stability. This will reduce your loan amount and your monthly payments, making it easier to manage your finances. Second, shop around for the best interest rate. Don't settle for the first offer you get. A lower interest rate will save you money over the life of the loan, reducing the overall cost. Third, consider buying a used car. Used cars are often more affordable and can be just as reliable as new ones. Used cars are cheaper than new cars, and you can avoid the steep depreciation that new cars face. You can also lease a car instead of buying. Leasing can offer flexibility and lower monthly payments. Leasing can be a good option if you don't want to own a car long-term, giving you the freedom to switch vehicles more frequently, or you can explore electric vehicles. EVs are becoming more popular and can be a smart financial choice. EVs can save you money on gas and maintenance, and they are better for the environment. The most important thing is to be informed. Do your research thoroughly before making any decisions. Understand the risks of negative equity. Make smart financial decisions to protect your investment. Your future self will thank you for taking the time to make informed and wise choices.